Hi there. Today I will show you how to edit your photos like this in mobile Lightroom. All that you need is just repeat after me. You can also download this preset on our website, which is presetstore.com. You can get it there for free, but you need to have a password which will appear twice on the right top corner like you can see it now. And guys, leave your thumbs up and comment. It's very good motivation to keep doing free Lightroom presets for you. So let's get started.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate, pull me back.
Now you can apply the preset to other photos and enjoy the result. Don't forget to like this video if you like it or dislike if you don't. We appreciate every single opinion.